Afternoon, folks. Brian here with you, Magnetic Earth Watch, Sunday, May 11, 2025. It's a heat report for a couple of areas. A new location for a heat detection. Sort of not surprising, the St. Lawrence Seaway. Right here we have a couple of points. Our detection confidence is high. No temperature assigned. And this is going to be right here in the middle of the seaway. Seismic activity is very common all the way down the St. Lawrence Seaway down into Quebec City region. So that's one. Two other locations. The Arabian Sea. The brightness temperature is very low, 295, so minus 272 to get the Celsius. So it's only about 23 degrees Celsius. We have a few points here. Sorry. All same low temperatures. One more area to point out in my province. Northern British Columbia, Western Canada is the Stikine volcanic belt. After you do this a while, you kind of know what stands out. So we have a large heat spread. 339 Kelvin. Nothing's been assigned to this grouping yet. So this is the Stikine volcanic belt. Our heat detections are right around here. British Columbia has 5 main volcanic areas. 4, but 5 if you count Wrangell volcanic belt, Yukon, Stikine, Anaheim. Garibaldi extends into Vancouver, and then Wells Gray Clearwater volcanic field. So let's go take a look. Yes, this is it. So this whole stretch here. And once again, British Columbia has 199 known volcanoes and related features. Very young geological activity. So whenever I see a heat detection, I will check out the weather, which I've already done. So I'm looking for any thunderstorms, which could be lightning strikes, or could be wildfires. There's no wildfire here, just a large heat spread. I'm doing this more for my documentation. My computer's almost full of memory, so I'll do a video so I can keep it on YouTube and Facebook. One final thing, a couple of earthquakes of note. So off Sumatra, we had a 5.8 at 94 kilometers depth. Then about 2.5 hours later in Vanuatu, we had a magnitude 6 at 58 kilometers depth. A very active area, not that one. Magnitude 6. Now, because we have two earthquakes of similar magnitude and similar time period, there may be what's called a fulcrum point. A fulcrum point is a point in the middle, which would be the Indonesia side of Papua New Guinea, Banda Sea. So what happens sometimes is the energy from a seismic event will spread. The energy from a seismic event will spread. It'll meet in the middle, causing a fulcrum point earthquake. Now, since the fulcrum point is the Banda Sea arc, which is always having seismic activity, same with here, the Bismarck Sea and Papua New Guinea and so on. So if a magnitude 5.7 to a 5.9 happens around here, it could be just regular activity. Before I leave you, I'm just going to quickly check. Actually, I don't have we'll check our sea surface temperatures. Expanding, growing like I told you it would, off of Mexico, Guatemala region. Getting a lot warmer all around in Indonesia, Borneo, into the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, into the Arabian Sea. Okay, folks, that's it for now.